Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to share a Gumroad link. All right, so first up, go ahead and log into your Gumroad account. So just go ahead over to your favorite browser and log into gumroad.com. After once you're in here, just go ahead and go to the left panel and click on products. All right, click on it, wait for it to load, and once it loads, you'll have your product list right here. So what you'll do is locate the product that you wanted to share or get the link from. For example, we have here, there's a video editing services. You can just easily right click on open link in a new tab. All right, you'll be able to see the product in here. So what you'll do basically is just go ahead and click on the share button. Now you could share it directly to X or on Facebook, but all you got to do is just log in with your accounts, or just basically copy the link right here and paste it wherever you want. So for example, you have your Instagram profile. Just go ahead over to your profile. Click on edit profile and then add the link in your bio. You are good to go. Just click on submit. That's how simple it is to share a Gumroad link. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.